Hamster Kombat is a new tap-to-earn game on Telegram giving users tokens with the promise that they'll be redeemable for a new cryptocurrency starting next month. The game follows in the footsteps of Notcoin, which exploded to a nearly $3 billion market cap after launching its own tap-to-earn game and token in May. Hamster Kombat's token hasn't launched yet, but traders, gamers, and analysts are all wondering how much it could be worth. In our Hamster Kombat price prediction, we'll analyze this tap-to-earn project's potential in 2024 and beyond. Stay tuned to find out whether it's worthwhile to start tapping and earning Hamster Kombat coins today. Hamster Kombat is a tap-to-earn mini-game available on Telegram. Players simply tap a hamster and earn coins with every tap. There's no limit to how much players can tap or how many coins they can earn. Hamster Kombat has proven wildly popular, in part because players and crypto traders think it could be the next Notcoin. Notcoin, one of the first tap-to-earn games on Telegram, launched its $NOT token in May and enabled players to convert their in-game coins to the $NOT cryptocurrency through the TON network blockchain. The result was instant. Notcoin rocketed from an initial price of 1 cent to an all-time high of $0.029 in 2 weeks after launch, reaching a market cap of nearly $3 billion at its peak. Some players who tapped to earn ahead of the $NOT token launch became crypto millionaires virtually overnight. With Hamster Kombat appearing to offer a similar opportunity, it's no wonder that everyday Telegram users and crypto traders alike are rushing to tap and earn. Hamster Kombat launched in late March and has already attracted more than 150 million players to its game. The project also has more than 8.8 million followers on X. That makes this one of the most viral games of all time, regardless of platform. Hamster Kombat could potentially reach Telegram's user base of more than 800 million, so the game has room to grow even bigger. Here's what we know about Hamster Kombat right now. Hamster Kombat is a tap-to-earn game available on the Telegram messaging app. Hamster Kombat has attracted more than 150 million players and has more than 8.8 million followers on X. Hamster Kombat plans to launch its crypto token in July. At this time, players who earned in-game tokens from Hamster Kombat will be able to redeem those tokens for the new cryptocurrency. Hamster Kombat's roadmap indicates that the project will hold its token generation event in July. As of mid-June, there's no ticker symbol or information about the token's initial pricing. Hamster Kombat has also not provided any details about how redemptions of in-game tokens for Hamster Kombat's token will work. Hamster Kombat price prediction 2024. The best guide for what the Hamster Kombat crypto token could be worth after it launches in July is Notcoin. Notcoin launched its token at a price of 1 cent, then saw its value jump 190% in just 2 weeks. It's now the second most valuable cryptocurrency in the Toncoin ecosystem, behind the blockchain's native $TON token. It's impossible to know for sure since there has been no information from the Hamster Kombat team, but we think the token will be priced at 1 cent when it launches in July, the same as $NOT. Considering how much more popular Hamster Kombat is than Notcoin was ahead of its launch, we think Hamster Kombat's token could launch with a market cap of more than $1 billion. After the launch, we expect to see a massive surge in demand for Hamster Kombat's token. It could pump harder than Notcoin thanks to its massive social media following and its success in attracting everyday Telegram users to its tap-to-earn game. We predict a potential gain of up to 7.5 times, to a price of $0.075. This represents our high estimate for Hamster Kombat in 2024, as we don't think the token will be able to sustain this price. It's likely that traders who make a lot of money in the token launch will sell around the all-time high, sending Hamster Kombat coin price back down. We predict the coin will find support around 4 cents, giving it a market cap of around $4 billion. Hamster Kombat price prediction 2025. Heading into 2025, Hamster Kombat will face an interesting mix of growth factors and headwinds. The bullish case for Hamster Kombat is that it will encourage millions of Telegram users to jump into crypto for the first time, growing the market for all tokens including Hamster Kombat's own coin. On top of that, Hamster Kombat's success could encourage existing crypto users to move value onto the TON network. That's particularly notable because the TON network is quickly becoming a major player in the crypto ecosystem. The network now has $600 million in total value locked, a 20 times increase from its TVL in March. As more users move onto TON network, they're likely to buy Hamster Kombat's cryptocurrency and push up the value of the coin. However, Hamster Kombat will also face competition from other tap-to-earn games like Wcoin and TapSwap. These games could steal users and attention away from Hamster Kombat, putting downward pressure on the Hamster Swap cryptocurrency. TON network meme coins could also pose a threat to Hamster Kombat. After its initial tap-to-earn Hamster Kombat airdrop, the best chance of long-term success lies in it becoming a meme coin for Ton Network users. If emerging meme coins like Resistance Dog or Ton Fish memecoin edge out Hamster Kombat, the community could slowly dwindle in size. On the whole, we're optimistic that Hamster Kombat will be able to gain ground in 2025.
We think Ton Network will keep growing at a rapid pace because of its affiliation with Telegram and increased reliability compared to other ultra-fast blockchains like Solana.
We also predict that Hamster Kombat's massive following will help it make the transition to a viral meme coin and give this cryptocurrency staying power. With that in mind, we forecast an average price of $0.055 for Hamster Kombat in 2025, with a potential high up to $0.110. That high price represents an 11 times gain for Hamster Kombat players today and would put Hamster Kombat just behind Ton in terms of market cap. Hamster Kombat price forecast long-term outlook 2026 to 2030 predictions. Looking beyond 2025, we are less confident in Hamster Kombat's ability to remain relevant. The cryptocurrency's original tap-to-earn game is likely to be eclipsed by more advanced and engaging play-to-earn crypto games, especially if there are advances in metaverse development so that players can seek out more immersive gaming experiences. In addition, only the best meme coins have been able to retain popularity for more than a few years. Notable examples include Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe, but Hamster Kombat doesn't have the same grassroots meme culture around it as these coins. So, while Hamster Kombat is likely to benefit from meme status in 2025 and possibly 2026, we think its virality will fade in 2027 and beyond. As a result, our Hamster Kombat forecast indicates that the token will slowly lose value after 2025. We predict an average hamster price of $0.020 by the end of the decade, bringing Hamster Kombat back to nearly its ICO price. Hamster Kombat presents an exciting opportunity because all traders have to do to earn tokens is tap on the game's hamster mascot on its Telegram channel. However, there's a lot of uncertainty about how token redemptions will work and how loyal the Hamster Kombat community will be to the project after it airdrops coins. So, traders and investors may want to hedge their bets on Hamster Kombat by buying alternative coins with more traditional launches. Thank you, see you next time.